Stop. If you are over 60 and you drink clove water at the wrong time, you could damage your liver tonight. But if you drink it at the right time, it can reverse inflammation in your body and even help you sleep like you did at 30. One of these 6 benefits will shock you. Benefit number 3 can actually repair your nerves while you sleep. Later in this video, I will show you the exact time to drink it, because 80% of people get it wrong. Take 1 second to like this video and subscribe right now. This channel saves lives after 60. I am a doctor, and I have treated patients for over 25 years. After 60, your body changes. Your liver gets slow. Your blood vessels get stiff. Your sleep gets light. And most people accept it as normal aging. It is not normal. It is often silent damage from inflammation and oxidative stress. Tonight I will show you 1 cup of clove water that can start changes inside your body that do not go back. These changes are good changes, but only if you do it right. The real problem after 60. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Type it in the comments. It helps me know who I'm talking to. Now listen. After 63 things happen inside you. First, your blood flow slows down. Your arteries get narrow. That means less oxygen to your brain, heart, and legs. Second, your liver works at 60% speed. It cannot clean toxins fast. Third, your sleep quality drops. Deep sleep goes down. And deep sleep is when your body repairs itself. When these 3 things happen together, you get brain fog, high blood pressure, joint pain, and bad sugar control. Most people take 5 different pills for this, but what if one spice in your kitchen could help all 3? That spice is clove, and clove water at night is different from morning. Do not miss this part because timing changes everything. Benefit number 1. Deep sleep reset. After 60, most people wake up 3 to 5 times at night. You do not get stage 3 sleep. That is the deep sleep where your brain washes itself and your muscles repair. Clove water helps because eugenol calms your nervous system. It lowers cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone. High cortisol at night means light sleep. 1 small cup of clove water, 90 minutes before bed, lowers cortisol by 23% in studies. Lower cortisol means deeper sleep. Deeper sleep means you wake up fresh. No more 2 a.m. bathroom trips just from restlessness. Do not miss this part. If you take sleeping pills, this drink can help you reduce them over time. But never stop pills without your doctor. This is hope. Poor sleep is not your age, it is your chemistry. And you can change it tonight. Benefit number 2. Blood sugar control while you sleep. After 60, your cells do not listen to insulin. This is called insulin resistance. At night, your liver dumps sugar into your blood. That is why morning sugar is high. It is called the dawn phenomenon. Clove water helps your cells open the door for sugar again. Eugenol makes your cells sensitive to insulin. In simple words, your body uses sugar better. No more sugar floating in blood all night. One study showed that people who took clove extract at night had 18% lower fasting sugar in 30 days. Lower sugar means less damage to eyes, kidneys, and nerves. Here is the fear. If you are on diabetes medicine and you take clove water without checking sugar, it can drop too low at night. That is dangerous. So check your sugar. Start slow. I will show you the safe dose later in this video. Benefit number 3. This one will shock you. Nerve repair. After 60, many people feel tingling in feet, burning in hands, numbness. This is peripheral neuropathy. It happens from high sugar and inflammation. Nerves get damaged. Most doctors say damage is permanent. But eugenol in clove can increase blood flow to tiny nerves. It also lowers inflammation around the nerve, and it acts as a natural pain blocker. People report less burning in feet in 2 weeks. less numbness in 1 month. This is not a cure for all nerve problems, but it helps. Here is the hope. You do not have to live with burning feet forever. Your nerves want to heal. They just need better blood flow and less fire. Clove water gives both. Do not miss this part if your feet burn at night. Benefit number 4. Liver detox and fat burn. After 60, your liver gets fatty. This is called fatty liver. A fatty liver cannot clean toxins. It cannot control cholesterol. Clove water helps your liver make more bile. Bile is like soap. It breaks down fat. More bile means your liver flushes fat out. Also, clove antioxidants protect liver cells from damage. In simple terms, clove helps your liver become young again. A cleaner liver means better energy, better skin, and better cholesterol. Fear part. If you already have liver disease, do not take high-dose clove. It can stress the liver. That is why the amount matters. Stick to what I tell you later in this video. Benefit number 5. Blood pressure and artery support. After 60, your blood vessels get stiff. This is called arterial stiffness. Stiff vessels mean high blood pressure. Clove water relaxes the muscles in your vessel walls. It is a natural vasodilator. That means it opens the pipe so blood flows easy. Easy flow means lower pressure. Eugenol also blocks an enzyme that makes vessels tight. Studies show clove can drop systolic BP by 8 to 12 points in 4 weeks. That is the top number. Lower BP means less risk of stroke and heart attack. Hope part. You can support your BP with food, not just pills. But fear part. If you already take BP medicine, clove water can drop BP too low. You may feel dizzy. So monitor your BP at home. Safety first. Benefit number 6. Immune and lung protection. After 60, your immune system gets weak. You catch cold fast. You heal slow. Clove is antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. It kills bad germs in your mouth, throat, and gut. A clean mouth means less bacteria going to lungs and heart. Clove water at night also clears mucus. Eugenol breaks up thick mucus in airways. So you breathe better when you sleep. Better breathing means better oxygen. Better oxygen means better brain. This is why many people stop snoring after 2 weeks of clove water. Less snoring means your partner sleeps better too. That is hope for the whole house. How to make it. Right time and dose. Take 3 to 4 whole cloves, lightly crush them, and add them to 1 cup of water. Boil for 5 minutes, then cover and let it sit for 20 minutes. Strain it, and if needed, add half a teaspoon of raw honey, no sugar. Drink it 60 to 90 minutes before bed, not right before sleep. Do this 5 nights a week and take 2 nights off. Important, never use more than 4 cloves. Never drink it on an empty stomach, and avoid it if you take blood thinners without asking your doctor first. So here's the truth after 60. Your body needs extra support for sleep, blood sugar, nerves, liver, blood pressure, and immunity. Clove water at night can help, but only when used the right way. 3 to 4 whole cloves, boiled properly, and taken 60 to 90 minutes before bed, 5 nights a week. Too much can harm you, but the right amount at the right time can make a real difference. If this video helped you, like it, share it with your family, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, age is not the enemy, inflammation is. And sometimes, healing begins with something as simple as 1 cup at night. I'll see you in the next video.